one of the wonderful volunteers here at the Dayton Aviation Heritage National Historical Park within Carillon Park. Your name and how long you've been volunteering?
Yeah, my name's Rob Nickel. I've been here since 2019, so going on 6 years.
So what's your most rewarding thing about helping out here today?
I like working at Wright Brothers here.
Yeah.
It's really neat.
And definitely the fact that this is actually so many artifacts of the Wright Brothers history. What's your favorite part of, helping people explore the space?
Well, it's fantastic sharing the 1905 flyer, which is, it's a unique piece of history. It's the only one of its kind. It's stablemate the 1903 flyers at the Smithsonian, but the 1905 is really what Orville and Wilbur were. It epitomizes what they've been trying to develop for about 8 years. So.
Well, I know they have full-time and part-time staff, but there's also volunteer staff here. How can they get involved volunteering?
It's not very hard. You can talk to a lady who's the volunteer coordinator, and her name's Kay Locker, and she's very easy to talk to, very friendly person. There's a fairly quick application process and a little bit of an interview. If you want to work at as an interpreter, there's some sort of qualification things that you need to do, especially for here, being a National Park Service site, right here for Wright Brothers. So.
Okay. Well, thank you for doing what you do. I appreciate you, Rob.
We're good. Yes, we have. Okay. Check it off. Hot.
This gentleman here, Mr. Anderson, putting together him and his team. You can see it up here, the skeleton of it. And then the other thing I think is kind of interesting.
way above normal, 5 to 7.5 northern horizontal,
'Thank you! Find me on YouTube!